Transportation represents basic right that we have as a human race. We are moving. I want to be part of the system that provides this very basic human right.
I realized that if I was going to have an impact on this world, it had to be by creating something, by starting a business.
You know your risk, but if you don't take it, you will forever be thinking about your idea. For those that that's not for, you got to go out and see if you can do it.
I really saw how my mom struggled to pay the energy bill. That really got me into becoming active. If I could eliminate that anxiety people have about having to pay a bill, then I could make a difference. The journey that got me here was really a journey I did not expect to take. I had to face the reality that my greatest impact was not through law school and what I thought I was going to end up doing in the future.
When I came here for the open house day, it was the only school that I felt like home. And it was clear to me that I should choose to pursue my graduate degree in the Institute of Transportation Studies here at UC Davis. One of the workshops that we participated in as Leaders for the Future is a preparation workshop for the Little Bang. Right after I presented myself came Angel, who presented his idea for In Charge. It was an immediate match.
We all had this vision, we all had this passion to do something, and we had the business background and we had the technical background. And that's a really good combination when you feel like you can launch something.
In Charge, it encompasses all these ways to charge an EV and to just enhance the value of having an electrical vehicle. Going through the workshops, everything that you could think of, you'll learn it.
It's built to be able to give you the structure that you need and the tools you need, and to build off of each workshop into the next, learning something new, working through solving a problem that you encounter, and learning some really heavy skills.
There was one where it brought a mentor, and he made a comment, and that kind of just blew my mind. You know, if I don't share the idea, the world's not gonna know about it. And that essentially is what the BigBang does. You are able to now build the system that is gonna bring life to whatever innovation, business model you may have.
And the opportunity to work with students, not just other MBA students, but campus-wide. All this immense amount of research, and that's so exciting as a once researcher, now business person. So we took full advantage of every moment.
The award ceremony was held on Zoom. When In Charge was announced to be the winner of the Sustainability Award, it was a moment of acknowledgement that our idea is valid. $10,000 is exactly what we need in AIM to start a product.
Innovation doesn't happen alone in a lab, in a basement. It might be the spark, but it takes that group. It takes the collaborative efforts of people with skills. It takes being able to identify who those people are, to bring them together, to build that coalition, and to really be persuasive. We plan to start here regionally in Davis, and then work in the Sacramento area and expand to California. We feel it is the most opportune area that's really putting pressure on consumers, on the industry to get EVs out to market.
And that is what the BigBang does. It connects you with your co-founders, it connects you with your mentors, it connects you with people in the industry, and there's a lot of sacrifices you have to make. But if you are serious about building something, consider where you're at now. The most important thing about a startup is yourself. It's you.